Repairing a hole in the ceiling here is a fairly easy job. What you want to do is get yourself one of these hole patch kits. Just remove the paper part on the back. Put the adhesive against the ceiling. With your hand, just smooth it out. It has an aluminum backing that will give you some strength. You can find these at any hardware store. So once you have this on there, all you want to do is get yourself some drywall compound. So you want to put this one on just sort of heavy, get good coverage for your first coat. There, that'll be good for the first coat. So before your second coat of mud, you just want to make sure that this is nice and dry. Take a little sanding block. Just lightly sand off any of the rough areas before your second coat. For this, you want to just get a trowel about a foot wide or so. And just look down it to see where the concave is. So it's on this side. So what I want to do, get about that much mud on it. Just a nice thin second coat. So for the light sanding just after the second coat, shouldn't take much. Just make sure you get the rough edges off. Time to prime. Now all you want to do is put the second coat on, or I mean the top coat, sorry.